Hi, my dear pharmacy friends. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, I know the brochure is not clear, but I will read out so that you can understand. So these are the walk-in interviews on 8th Saturday, Torrent Pharmaceuticals with Ampur plant. So for executive technical assistant in manufacturing or filling, 2 to 8 years of experience, B.Sc, M.Sc, B.Pharm or M.Pharm, material dispensing, ointment or gel manufacturing, filling, packing, track and trace, labeling, so etc. QMS for executive technical assistant, formulation, tech transfer, 3 to 8 years of experience is required. B.Pharm or M.Pharm, ointment or gel technology transfer. So executive technical assistant QA and QC openings are also there. You can see. So if you are interested, you can attend the walk-in interviews at Torrent Pharmaceuticals Ltd. So plot number 8110 811C, industrial area, Pitampur district, from 10 a.m. onwards. See, these are the details. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. For job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friends.